Hello everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Quinn. I also go by QP because a lot of people can't spell my name. But thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really appreciate it. So it's actually been a while since I posted to my channel. I just posted a video a few days ago and that was what has had me so busy. I've been doing a lot of projects around the house and I'm so excited for them, but they're just taking me a really long time. So I'm excited to be back doing videos on this channel. Today I'm actually going to be reviewing this right here. So it is a beauty brand that I've been curious about for a while. It's Ilia Beauty and I've been wanting to try this because of their super serum skin tint, because it has SPF and pretty much everything in it. So it's like skincare, SPF, and makeup in one. So I got a few items from Ilia Beauty and wanted to do a review for you guys to let you guys know how it is. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So I don't know if it's because everyone's been quarantining and we've been kind of in our house. I just have really gravitated towards like the natural minimal look. You know, of course I still like to go back to my regular makeup style if we're going out or anything like that, but we're still not going out to eat or going to places right now. So if I can, I want to just do a very quick morning routine, and so that's kind of one of the reasons I wanted to give this a try. The first thing I got is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. The shade I got is Sheila, it's SD8. And I just want to read you guys the description real quick just so you can get an idea of what the intention for this product is. It says, skin that looks like skin, a clean, silicone, and fragrance-free tinted serum packed with active, nourishing ingredients and non-nano zinc oxide SPF 40. This innovative, lightweight formula delivers light coverage that dries down to a natural, dewy finish. Fine lines and imperfections are softened and skin appears healthy. Plant-based squalane helps to balance skin and improve elasticity, while niacinamide aids in smoothing texture. A blend of hyaluronic acids penetrates skin at different levels to help plump and seal hydration. Non-comedogenic, oil-free, dermatologist tested. This retails for $46, which is a little bit on the more expensive side for me for a tinted SPF, because before that I was using the It Cosmetic, which I'm out of, that's why I bought this. This is only like $35. This is like a full coverage foundation. It works great. I really like this. Also really good ingredients in this as well, but it's just really heavy, really full coverage, and I wanted something a little bit lighter. Next thing I got is the Ilia Multi-Stick. This has shea butter, orange peel wax, and avocado oil in it. And this is in the shade At Last. One product, endless uses. A clean, versatile wash of color that melts into the cheeks, lips, leaving a dewy finish. Perfect for on-the-go application. These blendable, breathable, and buildable sticks of color can be applied in one quick swipe. The formula is blended with organic shea butter, orange peel wax, and natural oils of avocado, sunflower, and castor seed. Skin feels incredibly hydrated, soft, and supple. And the multi-stick retails for $34. Again, kind of on the pricier side, but let's see if it's worth it. And then the next thing I ordered is the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer. Smoothing, brightening, stabilizing vitamin C, and mastic. A clean, silicone, and fragrance-free medium coverage concealer with skincare benefits. The ultra lightweight formula blends easily to help reduce the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Enriched with stabilized vitamin C, Albizia, Julie Breezen, bark extract, and mastic. The hydrating and brightening formula helps to increase cellular energy and protect skin from environmental damage. This retails for $30. And I got the concealer in the shade Yucca. And then the last thing I got is a travel size of the Limitless Lash Mascara. I am very picky when it comes to mascara because my lashes are very picky. They're Asian lashes, they're pin straight, and unless I have a good waterproof mascara, it just doesn't hold the curl. So I got the travel size just to try it because the last thing I want to do is buy a full size and then like not ever use it again because it's not suitable for my lashes. So I'm kind of very wary of this, but I got it because I really want to try it because everyone says really good things about it. So it's buildable, flake free, and 99% natural. So that's another thing that a lot of people really like about this particular mascara is because of the good ingredients that are in it. A buildable and flake-free mascara that lengthens, lifts, and curls for more voluminous lashes. Our lightweight and nourishing formula is fortified with natural waxes that weightlessly condition your lashes. A dual-sided brush allows you to define or lift and separate lashes with precision. And then this is in the color After Midnight Jet Black. Alright, so that is pretty much everything that I ordered. I think I covered most of the talking points for these products I ordered. I'm gonna try to not tap into any other makeup so I could do like a full face of Ilia makeup with only these 4 products, which would be amazing. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out and see how it looked and if I can get a nice makeup look with this. So to apply these, I'm going to just try to follow the instructions or the directions on the box as best I can so that I don't steer away from it too much. I'm gonna shake vigorously as they suggested. So it says half a dispenser, but it's kind of hard to see, so I'm just going to try to guesstimate as best I can. Ooh, okay, so it doesn't feel like a serum, but it's like lighter than a foundation, so it's like right in between. Doesn't smell the best, but it's not supposed to have fragrance, so I'll take the natural smell. It definitely feels oily going on, like, and you definitely have to kind of work it into the skin so that your skin absorbs it. I think that this goes on a little bit lighter than the color that's going to kind of set to, and that's just probably from oxidation. It makes your skin just feel really soft. Like, I feel like I have lotion on right now. It doesn't feel like I have makeup on, and the makeup isn't like setting on top of my skin like other foundations where it looks like you're wearing makeup. It just looks like my skin is moisturized and there's a little bit of coverage, which is really, really nice. All right, so now that the skin tint is on, I will say when I first started applying this, I was not a fan of the texture and the feeling on my face. I think also I don't like getting my hands dirty, and I normally wouldn't apply my makeup with my hands. However, after the skin serum started sinking into my skin and my skin started to absorb it, it feels really, really nice. Like, it's like so soft, like it feels so supple, and it just honestly feels like I just got ready for bed after putting like serum on, but it's not even as sticky as that. Like, it's not super oily. So here's a look at the comparison between my left hand, which has the serum on it, and my right, which doesn't. You can see the left one has a little bit of coverage, but it's like not even noticeable, and the right one just kind of looks sad and a little pale, and it doesn't look as like golden. You guys, I'm really, really liking this so far. I mean, it's definitely light coverage. You can see a lot of the redness around my nose, but I wonder if it's because I didn't apply any there. So I'm gonna try to apply some on my nose to kind of build that up a little bit, because I think I forgot that area. Taking a closer look at my face, it doesn't look like I have makeup on, which is really, really nice. There's like no, like, it's not cakey. You can see a little bit where I kind of miss my mouth and I didn't blend it in. You can kind of see a little bit of that, but it's like barely noticeable at all that I have any makeup on. All right, so let's move on to concealer. The reason I got this is because this is supposed to be such a light coverage that this is needed for any like blemishes or problem areas. And this is supposed to be a medium coverage, which is still a lot like lighter than most concealers. So as you guys can see where I applied the concealer right through the back of my wrist, it does have a little bit more coverage than just the serum alone. The consistency of this is really nice also. It's not sticky, not greasy. Let's go ahead and apply it. Apply to areas you wish to brighten and conceal. Dot and tap into skin with a ring finger. So I have a lot of broken capillaries around the bottom of my nose. I'm gonna try to get there. Not my ring finger, but I just feel more comfortable with my middle finger. Okay, what I've learned so far is a little goes a long ways. I definitely applied way too much. I don't need this much. For my regular foundation, it's a little bit thicker, so it doesn't spread as easily. This spreads really, really easily. You definitely do not need very much of this to cover. I think it's better to apply a little bit and then build onto that. Otherwise, it just kind of spreads everywhere, which is what I experienced just now. but lesson learned. So now normally I would set this with a setting powder, but I'm really trying to stick to only Ilia products today. One thing I noticed about the concealer is it does have more coverage than the serum, which it's supposed to. But because of that, it does look a little bit more cakey and so more noticeable on the skin than just the serum alone. The serum alone makes it look like you have no makeup on. With the concealer, if you're not good at blending it all in, you can definitely see a little bit of like just that makeup look, but so much better than other concealers I've used in the past. Even around my nose, it's not that bad. You can see a little bit on the dry parts of my skin, but it's like not horrible. So let's go ahead and move on to the multi-stick. This is in the shade At Last, which is kind of like a mauve nude. This is a shade that complements my skin and the type of shades I normally go for blush and lip products. Is what it looks like, and then here's a swatch. Very, very light. Wow. I did not think it was gonna be that light. Let's see if I can build that up. Yeah, it's a buildable coverage, but it's super, super light. Really pretty though. I normally apply my blush on the apples of my cheek and then blend it out that way. So that's what I'm gonna do. I normally don't like a ton of blush. This is kind of like the most I'll go. I might go a little bit darker, but I'm just gonna slowly try to build it up. I love how sheer this is. It's so sheer that it kind of blends in with my skin. So it looks like this is coming in from underneath, like me blushing. So it just looks so natural. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this on my lips now. Oh, it's really moisturizing. Feels so nice, and that's such a pretty color, you guys. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. I'm not a huge fan of lipstick because it just, I don't know, it just doesn't look like me. This looks so good because it's like a tinted lip balm, but actually complements my lips and like complements my skin tone. And it's super moisturizing. My lips feel great. It's not constricting. You know, sometimes when you have a lot of lipstick on, it just feels really waxy. Doesn't feel like that at all. It honestly just feels like I have a really light lip balm on. Wow, I am so impressed. Like, I'm so impressed. Before I go on, I want to just kind of point out my eyebrows are microbladed. They're not in the best shape right now because a little bit of it has faded. But just for the sake of keeping this a full face of only Ilia products, I'm not gonna do my brows. Normally I would probably touch up my brows and add a brow gel. I don't have Ilia's brow gel because, again, I didn't want to spend the money on it. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I think it's fine, especially if I'm going for this like natural look. So I just ran downstairs to grab my eyelash curler because it wasn't in my makeup bag, and I saw myself in a mirror which had natural lighting, and I think that this shade is a little bit too light for me. I have gotten darker because I've been outside gardening and doing a lot of projects outside, so I might try to return this and get like a darker shade if I can. Okay, so curling the lashes. All right, let's go ahead and apply the mascara now. I think a lot of the reason why there's a lot of hype about this mascara is the wand that it comes with. So if you look at the wand, like one side looks like a comb and the other side looks like a regular mascara wand with all of the bristles on it that kind of rounds out. So it's pretty unique. Very nervous. I don't do very well with non-waterproof mascara, but let's just give it a try. There's what my lashes look like. This one has the mascara on it. The left one does not. So there's the look with the mascara. And I will say, guys, like, I don't hate it. For a non-waterproof mascara, I honestly don't hate it, which I'm really surprised by. Now, did it hold my curl like a good high quality waterproof mascara such as my favorite, the Dior Show? It didn't. Like, you can tell my lashes have straightened out a little bit, but not fully, which is normally what I notice with a regular mascara. So that was actually pretty nice. I don't know if they'll introduce a waterproof mascara in the future, but so far, this alone, like, it's not bad and I do like it. This is probably my favorite non-waterproof mascara I've ever tried, because it did lift. you can see that, you can visibly see that it has lifted, it's lengthening, it looks really nice, which I'm very surprised by. So I don't know, just my first impression, first initial thoughts of everything that I got so far today. Yeah, let me put my hair down so you can see this look in its entirety. All right guys, well that is pretty much it. I will say I am pretty impressed with this line of makeup and all of the products I got today. I love just how natural this looks, and I like that I was able to get this look with only 4 products. So if I can recreate this every morning, it would just cut down my routine so much. Initially, I was gonna do a wear test in this video, and I wanted to kind of do a wear test for the mascara as well. However, I get a lot of complaints that my videos are like too long, so I'm gonna break this up into 3 parts. So in this video is just the unboxing and the first impression, and then the next video is going to be on the Super Serum Skin Tint and a wear test on this. And I'm gonna wait a little bit to do that video so that I can use this a little bit more and kind of get a feel for it and let you guys know my final thoughts on it after using it for a while. This is just the first impression. And then like I said, the video after that is going to be my full review for the Ilia mascara on Asian lashes. I know that Asian lashes are very different from other lashes in that it is super straight and it is very finicky. So I want to do a more in-depth review on this after I've had a chance to use this a few times, and then I'll do a wear test on it and let you know if it streaks, you know, how it wears during the day, if I have like any smudging or like raccoon eyes, and if it holds this lift throughout the day, or is it just going to straighten back out and kind of just sag. So I'll do that in a different video if you guys are interested. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I actually really enjoyed filming this because I haven't had new makeup in a while, so this was like opening a new present for me. Anyway, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Do you have a favorite skin tint with SPF in it? If so, what brand is it? Because I'm always on the lookout for those. Or if you have any favorite makeup products that you want to share with me in the comment section below. Have you tried Ilia products before? If you have, let me know your thoughts. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to click on that subscribe button right there so you can see more videos like this. All right, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.